Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a deep condition using egg. I'm also going to be using coconut oil. I'll also be using some almond oil. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So we're going to be needing a bowl like this where I'm going to be putting the egg inside. Okay, egg has a lot of amazing benefit for hair growth. It's going to help you to promote your hair in so many ways. Okay, so I'm using this first egg right here. I'll use the whole egg, then I'll also use one yolk. Okay, so egg can be used to help you with your healthy hair because it contains protein, vitamins and minerals that support hair growth and strengthens your hair. Okay, so egg is so amazing for hair growth. Okay, applying egg directly to the root of your hair helps to infuse your hair follicles with which needed vitamins and minerals, nourishing your scalp. Okay, can ensure new hair growth and stronger and lessen breakage and shedding. Okay, so using egg is really amazing, and it also helps in growing your hair thicker. So these are the egg I'm going to be using: one full egg and one egg yolk. All right, so I'm going to be measuring my oil. I'm using coconut oil for this recipe. You can use any oil of your choosing, so I decided to use coconut oil because that is what I have at home. All right, so coconut oil has beautiful benefits for hair growth, so as also to almond oil. I use 1 teaspoon of each of this recipe. All right besties, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So I'm just going to be whisking everything together. So after whisking everything together, I will put this in an application bottle for easier application. All right, so this treatment can be done once a month. Protein treatment can be done once in a month. It's good to add protein, like to balance the protein, the hydration of your hair. It's good to balance them. All right, so I'll be showing you guys in another video 3 or 4 deep condition I like applying on my hair every month. Okay, so I'm done whisking everything together. This is application bottle I'll be using to pour it inside and apply it on my hair. So time for application. I first of all going to spray my hair because I washed my hair previously. Okay, so I'm going to be hydrating my hair first with warm water before I apply this treatment stroke deep condition on my hair. So this is what I'm doing, spraying my hair with warm water, and I make sure my hair is all hydrated before I apply it on my hair. So I'm done hydrating it, so I first of all shake it before I apply this on my hair. I love this application bottle because it makes work much easier for me. So first of all, I start from the root of my hair and I rub it down to the ends of my hair. Okay, that's what I'll be doing throughout the entire video. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Applying this on your braid is good. Okay, it's good for you to apply it on your braid. Even if your hair is not braided, you can still apply it on your normal hair. Okay, this treatment I do this once a month. Okay, once a month I put egg or any protein treatment on my hair. Okay, normally sometimes I put inside the egg. Okay, I add egg, olive oil, and mayonnaise, depending on the protein ingredients I have in my house of that day. Okay, so if I have mayonnaise, I would have added mayonnaise on this particular treatment, but there was no mayonnaise around, so I had to use just only the egg and only those two oil. Okay, so this is what I am doing, putting on my hair right now. So you can either add mayonnaise to the treatment or you can remove mayonnaise, so it all depends on what you have in your house. Okay, so this treatment works. Okay, it works so well on your hair. So what I was ranting right here was like, I was telling the bottle, why are you not owning, like, why are you not pressing out? I was so angry because I know that if I open this and start applying it like this on my hair, it's gonna be messy. It's going to be very, very messy, but I just have to do what I have to do, which by opening it, applying it directly like this on my hair. So I'm also going to be trying to apply more on the ends of my hair because I want the ends of my hair to be strong. Okay, because that place is the other part of my hair and I need that place to be healthy as well. So this is what I'll be doing today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let me know, do you do egg treatment or egg wash on your hair? I love the feeling of my hair. Okay, like my hair feels so amazing after using this on my hair. If you watched it this time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comments. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients to help you to grow your hair. If you're suffering from hair loss, shedding of hair, alopecia, this is gonna help you out. Any of my treatments will help you out. So I'm done applying everything on my hair. As you can see, I'm pressing the ends of my hair, making sure that the ends of my hair have collected its own part of benefit from this egg treatment. Okay, so do this in the bathroom and wear a black shirt because this always tends to be messy. So I'm going to be using this plastic bag to tie my hair and allow this to sit for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is okay for this to sit on your hair. So after 30 minutes, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So 30 minutes is over and this is what my hair looks like. Like this thing was dripping all over my face. I have to use this clothes to cover, like it was really dripping everywhere. But I am glad that my hair has benefited from the recipe. Okay, so I am going to be rinsing this right now. Okay, I'm using cold water to rinse it out. Okay, so use cold water to rinse it out because if you use warm water, all right, it's going to cook on your hair and you don't want to be carrying cooked egg on your hair, so you have to use cold water. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be using cold water to rinse everything out of my hair. Then after rinsing it out, I'll follow up with my conditioner. Okay, just to remove that egg smell. You know, sometimes egg tends to leave smell on your hair, so when you use your conditioner, your hair will not smell. So this is what I'll be doing. So rinse it out. Make sure you rinse it out very well. Like you pour water and keep on rinsing and rinsing and rinsing till you know that the water is clear. You know that your hair has, the whole egg treatment has left your hair before you now apply your conditioner on your hair. So today's conditioner I'm using is Petals. Okay, this is an OG, like really OG. When I was small, like really small, my mom always used this Petals condition or the shampoo to wash my hair. So I came across it in the market. I was like, sometimes OGs are good, so I decided to get it and use it on my hair, and I've been doing amazing on my scalp and on my hair. Yeah, so this is what I am doing right now. I am going to condition my hair, allow it to stay for just little minutes, then I rinse out. After applying it, then I just allow it to stay for a few minutes, then I rinse out. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. So this is after everything, my hair is all rinsed out. Okay, I can see that there are little egg. I don't know how the egg cook, but I use cold water. It was so hilarious me seeing those egg cooked egg on my hair. I was like, where did you guys come from? Because I use cold water to rinse my hair. But anyway, I love the feeling of my hair. My hair feels so bouncy, so hydrated. Like if you have this dry hair, use egg treatment, deep condition, or egg mask, or egg treatment is gonna help you to bring your hair, revive your hair back. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll go and shower to remove all those egg on my face, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.